back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send invoices with FreshBooks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to send invoices with FreshBooks and auto reminders, you need to simply open your FreshBooks account. So once you have opened your FreshBooks account, you can simply log in into your FreshBooks. Once this is done, you need to create or open an invoice. You can simply create one or use the old ones as well. So after this, finalize and send your invoice and then confirm your invoice has been sent or not. Now to set up the automatic reminder, you can access the client setting, enable reminders and automate reminder emails. Once this is done, you can configure reminder timing and customize your message as well. After this, save the settings and you're all set. So this is how you can send invoices with FreshBooks and auto reminders. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.